Spirit, ghost, and paranormal activities are something that some people believed and some do not. But one thing that is sure about it is that you cannot just ignore it. From the time a child can understand, he knows what bhoot is. Kolkata is the culture of capital of the country, but as you look deep in it, you can discover the haunted secret of the city. Kolkata is a home to many incident building and some of them are home to ghosts and spirits. The city is also considered to be the hub of tantra and black magic. Sound interesting, right? Do you have a chill down your spine or do you get excited from the horror tales? Are you a horror movie buff? Are you among those who go to see every horror film in the theater just to get the extra thrill? If you are one of them who find adventure in spookiness, then you must surely visit this haunted place once you are in Kolkata. Number 1. The South Park Street Cemetery. The South Park Street Cemetery is not only the haunted cemetery in Kolkata, the Lower Circular Road Cemetery is also known for the paranormal activities. The story about this place goes like there was a civil servant in the British era, Sir William Hay McNaughton, who was killed brutally during the First Anglo-Afghan War. His body was ripped apart and it was his wife who visited Afghanistan, assembled the leftover parts of his body, returned to Kolkata and buried here in the Lower Circular Road Cemetery. In case anyone narrates his story near his grave, the huge tree above the grave starts shivering. Number 2. The South Park Street Cemetery. It is quite common for us to click photographs whenever we visit a tourist spot in the city. So did a group of friends who visited the cemetery, but there was followed by a really strange occurrence. A group of healthy friends suddenly fell ill and one of them even had an asthma attack. This famous tourist spot in the city is the oldest one among all the cemetery in Kolkata. It is built in 1767. Paranormal activities like shadows moving, capturing images, and health deteriorating have been witnessed in this place. People staying nearby are so afraid of this haunted place that they keep their windows shut at all times. Number 3. The Calcutta Royal Turf Club. If you pass the race course on the moonlight night, especially on Saturday, you might see Saheb-e Sada Ghora galloping over the stand. The story dates back to the 1930s when there was a race maniac named George William. He loved his horses more than he loved his job and family, and his favorite one was a pearl white horse named Pride. She was known as the queen of the tracks and she won many races, fame and prizes for her master. But with age, she was fading and her last race was the annual Calcutta Derby. Pride lost the race and George William lost his fortune. The next day she was found dead on the track and it is supposed that the spirit of this horse can be still seen now. As this spooky story made the rounds, the Royal Calcutta Turf Club earned an infamous reputation as a haunted place in Kolkata. Number 3. The Writers' Building. No one walks here after sunset. You ask why? The most powerful building of Kolkata is also one of the most haunted places in Kolkata. The Writers' Building used to house the Secretariat building of the state government of West Bengal. The empty rooms in this 300 years old building have some hidden secrets. Story has it that this building has been haunted for many decades and the caretakers staying here couldn't continue their job for more than 1 month. This was the famous place where the famous revolutionaries Binoy, Badol and Dinesh killed Captain Simpson of the East India Company. The large rooms in the building are said to be inhabited by the ghost and someone's shriek are heard late at night even though the building is deserted after 7 p.m. Number 5. The Wipro Office. The Wipro Office is one of those haunted places in Kolkata whose stories you will hear young people narrate rather than the older generation. It is now that Salt Lake has become the IT hub of Kolkata, but once upon a time it was a part of Kolkata's wetlands. The office of Wipro is supposed to be built on a graveyard and the local residents of that place claim that they have seen strange visions in the darkest hour during the night. People are strictly advised not to wander in the 3rd floor of the Tower 3 and the floor is shut almost all the time as it is haunted by many ghosts. People walking the graveyard shift in this office have often complained of hearing and seeing things whenever they leave the used lifts and step out of the buildings. The city of Joy is full of dark secrets and mysteries in every wall and every street. There are many more haunted places in Kolkata apart from this few. The National Museum, the Putul Bari and many other places have reported paranormal activities in the city. No one knows how much truth is there in these stories. So, why don't you go and explore the place if you are not afraid?